Okay, we're going to do a high-low calculation now, and the high-low calculation helps us identify our variable costs and our fixed costs when we're given total costs. So we can see that we've got total costs here, and we've got sales volume here. And we're going to pick out which ones are the high and the low. So from the table, calculate the variable and fixed costs using the high-low method. Variable and fixed costs using the high-low method. Now we've been given how to calculate variable costs. We look at high costs minus low costs divided by high activity minus low activity. And that's the one we're going to do first. So let's see if we can work out what's our high activity and our low activity. If I look here, we've got high activity of 1200. There's nothing higher than that in that page, on that column. And if I look here at April, I've got low activity of 910. Now my high costs are 32,500 and my low costs are 27,750. So let's plug that into our calculations. Just get my calculator. So first we're looking at variable cost equals my high cost, which is 32,500, minus my low cost, which is 27,750. And we're following this formula, so I've ticked off my high cost and my low costs, and that is all divided by high activity. So my high activity is 1,200 minus my low activity of 910. Alright, so what does that all equal? Let's grab my calculator. Alright, we've got 32,500 minus 27,750. That equals 4,750 divided by 1,200 minus 910 minus 910 is 290. So if I do my calculation, 4,750 divided by 290, 16, now actually you can't see that, can you? There it is. 16.3, I'm going to round it up to 38. Because it's decimal currencies. 1638. Now that's a dollar figure, so I'm going to put a dollar figure in, dollar sign in front of it. Next thing we're going to focus on is our fixed costs. So, because it's the second thing that we were asked to calculate. So I'll just draw a line there. So fixed costs, as we can see, is my high cost, which is 32,500. Minus my high activity, which is 1,200, times my variable cost. Now my variable cost is here, 1638. Let's see what all that equals. 1,200. Oh, there's a bit of a glare there. Let's that looks a bit better. 1,200 times 16. Whoops, that doesn't work. 1,200 times 16.38, 19,656, so I get 32,500 minus 19,656, and my fixed cost then equal, I take off 32,500, now I switch that round, plus equals my fixed cost of 1,200, no they're not, it's 12,844, and once again that's dollars. So that has ticked off our variable and our fixed costs using the high-low method. We now can apply that to any one of those ones up there, and we'll be able to get out the formula should work. A little bit of rounding, but we should be okay.